Good morning, students. Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter of EVS, chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Taking Care of Others. In this chapter, we will learn about the things that we need to take care of our elders or our family members. So we all live with our family members. As we know, children love to be with their grandparents. They share talks and their feelings with their grandparents and love to spend time. Children should take care of their grandparents as they are old and need their help. Spending some time with our elders and sharing things with them makes us happy. They need special care and attention when they are sick. What should we do for them that time when they are sick? We can give them food and medicines on time. We can arrange their things. We can make them feel comfortable. And we should be patient with them. So next is old age home. Do you know what is the meaning of old age home? See, old people who do not have a family or relatives live in an old age home. There is a special home for them, then old people, that is called as old age home. They need the same attention and care. We can visit an old age home with our elders and family. Next is orphanage. Do you know the meaning of orphan and orphanage? Let me tell you. Some children don't have family. They don't have relatives even. They don't have their parents and homes. The homes that are made for such children are called as orphanage, and these children are called orphans. We can visit an orphanage with the elders of the family or with the teacher and classmates to spend some good time with them. This will make them feel happy. Next is differently abled people. There are some people who have some problems, who have some physical problems with their body that makes it difficult for them to do things that other people can do easily. They are called differently abled people. They need special care and attention and treatment. Some people cannot see, some cannot hear, some cannot speak. The people who cannot see, they are called blinds. Some of them don't have vision since birth, while few of them lost their eyesight in an accident or in old age. Blind people read through special books. These books are written in special script that is called as Braille script. This script is written within 1 to 6 raised dots as we have shown in the screen. A person runs his finger on these dots and can read the script. A blind person can also write Braille on a machine called Braille writer. So next students, some people are there who face difficulty in hearing. That means they cannot hear. A person who cannot hear at all is called deaf. People can understand the speech of other person by lip reading or can understand sign language. See, this is a machine, is called as hearing aids. Nowadays, there are special hearing devices made for such people known as hearing aids. People put this device in their ear that enables them to hear properly. Like this, yes. Next is some people have speech problem. A person who cannot speak is called dumb. These people can explain their thoughts with the sign language. See, look at the screen. This language is called as sign language. There are some people who lost one of the body part. So this is sign language. So next is there are some people who lost one of the body part in an accident or by birth. The part is missing. People who cannot walk can use a wheelchair. We should take care of these type of special people by giving them love and affection and attention also. There are so many organizations nowadays that help these people to develop certain skills. So for example, blind people are taught how to make handicrafts like candles, statues and decorative items. So students, that's all about the chapter taking care of others. Now let's revise it. In this chapter, what we did, old and sick people are weak and need special care and attention. The children who don't have their parents living and live in orphanage are called orphans. People who have a problem with their body that make it difficult for them to do things, they are called as differently able people. Blind people read and write in braille script. Dumb people use sign language to express themselves. People who cannot walk can use a wheelchair. So dear students, watch the video and listen the video carefully and try to understand the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.